Yo, one of Vegas' biggest problem when him go after Bounty Killer was the Gaza Nation. Like, the Gaza Nation did always did a defend Bounty Killer. So, I think now that's Bounty Killer show him on, like, him a try get a reaction from Vibes Cartel. Him clearly, at this, the Gaza vloggers them, I call them all kind of name, and him and the Gaza vloggers them a go at it. You see earlier, you see Bounty Killer and one Kevin a go at it. You see one Kevin and Bounty Killer son a go at it. You see Bounty Killer and Gaza uncle a go at it. You see Bounty Killer with a long list, like him a call out Negos, him call out Brando, him call out one Kevin. So I think Vegas now read up the play there and say him not have the Gaza Nation packitive again. So now is the right time. Go back to the underage girl allegation. And this time a free reign. Me not have Gaza Nation for deal with, because remember say Gaza Nation are one of, because remember say Gaza Nation are one of the most powerful fan base on the internet. You know, True Nation or Gaza Nation, and Vegas know say Bounty Killer not have that on him side, because Bounty Killer would basically shoot himself in him foot by going after Vibes Cartel. So them have a thing with name, when you dig hole, you dig one for yourself. Because while Bounty Killer try get a response from Vibes Cartel, Mr. Vegas are like, you're going like a squeaky clean. And him have a whole dig for him right now where Vegas just a bring it up back, and Mr. like Bounty Killer answer him in the comment section. So Bounty Killer even go down a road right now where him never did acknowledge it. One time him never did acknowledge it. Him even go to war, a lyrical confrontation with Vegas, and him still no acknowledge it. You see me? But yo people, this is real talk.
This is real talk.
Real talk.
DJ Dreadbeard, subscribe now.
Yeah man, this is real talk. And I'm your host, DJ Dreadbeard. We'll go back to the core. So we'll go back to the core of what Real Talk series is all about. Real Talk, how we just talk about anything hot, and we just share my opinion. No lip of video I play. And if you are interested in that kind of content where you just want to hear reasoning, probably at 10 minutes max, 8 minutes to 10 minutes worth of reasoning, then you can subscribe. Me can't tell you what to subscribe to. Me only can remind you to subscribe if you never remember. What me can ask if you do is like the video. So let's continue. So Vegas should smell blood in the water right now, because Bounty Killer a disrespect Vibes Cartel and a disrespect the fan base. So in week, the alliance, there are not so many alliance members on the internet. Understand? Yeah, so Vegas had run like a free reign, like a free for all now. Him not have no Gaza Nation for worry about a defend Bounty Killer. So that is why. And the reason why I bring the topic here over the channel, yeah? Talk about it on my main channel. So if you want to hear more, you can go over my main channel. But me never edit the video good, and you hear Mr. Vegas interview him on Conscience. It did a play meantime I talk, so I have to cut out some of it. So some of the important things them when I say and it get corrupt, I go say it over here. So if you have somebody who subscribe to both channel, then you would get the full reasoning. It continue right or so. So some of the things that when I say and it did corrupt, you notice in the interview, Vegas say Bounty Killer, after the war going, after the little lyrical war going, Bounty Killer then go up on DJ Academics.
When me thinks everything done, him bring clash, me go to him a clash. Me a singer and me a clash a DJ brethren, lyrically. When me thinks everything done, the man up on DJ Academics, a style me again, bro. Yeah. Knowing say me know say him get a 14-year-old pregnant.
And bring up back him name. So me I say to you is, did Mr. Vegas react after Bounty Killer go up on the DJ Academics interview? If him react, it never make enough noise. It never make a big enough splash. So now that's Bounty Killer I go after Vibes Cartel and thing, and the liquor war between Tamale and something, the highlight the Bounty Killer now, you know. Because Bounty Killer put himself in the war by picking Massacre side. So everything just spill over now. So Vegas now, we are being smart now, him attack him again. So if him did attack him immediately after the DJ Academics interview, me never know about it. And if me never know about it, so does a lot of other people. But now we are see it. Now him a tell us the reason why him a do this is because but that's a long time ago. And if you never react them time, then why you react now? But the reason why him a react now is Vybz Kartel name there in the mix, and from Vybz Kartel name in the mix, and it now go be a 9-day talk or a 7-day talk. Eyes are got upon it. Yeah, because Bounty Killer would not disrespect the vloggers them, and the reason why Bounty Killer disrespect the vloggers them, Vybz Kartel now answer him, so he might disrespect the vloggers them. So probably if the vloggers them talk about it and a Vybz Kartel vloggers them and him listen them vlogger they probably him will hear. So at the route the Bounty Killer go when him diss the vloggers them, but Vybz Kartel know better than that, so enough to answer him. But anyway, that's just beside of the topic. So now, Mr. Vegas decides that him go bring it up back. Why him bring it up back now? Yeah, it's obvious. Bounty Killer not have the Gaza Nation back it anymore. And that's why he would have bring it up now. The next topic I want to talk about is Sirp. Sirp put out a video where he must say I'm last day on YouTube. I see the title. I never listen it. Just like how I see other titles and I listen it. Yeah, but the reason why I even talk about this Sirp thing, I see the Observer post it. So I say the Observer must listen to all of him content to find out if there's some sarcasm or if a joke him a run or what. So I say if the Observer post it, that means probably some truth there in it. So I go over there go listen it. You understand? The warning signs, the signs and the signal were there, bro. If him a left, because money there on the table. It probably not be enough money like before, like when Vybz Kartel they are prison and them do the whole Vybz Kartel content them, and people want to hear them something them the time that your name buzzy. Remember, you know, everybody have a peak, you know. So him probably peak and now him thing a fall off. So probably him can't manage the fall off thing there. Yeah, but the signs were there during Hurricane Melissa. Remember say people that said the hurricane washed him away, and probably it was a way out where him could have just used that as a scapegoat and say, yo, the hurricane, and from the hurricane we not see back Sirp, but I guess he gonna allow him to do that, so him forward back and say him not gone nowhere. And then couple weeks now you hear him say him a left again. So the signs were there, bro. Say him never, him mind and him heart not in it like one time. And you can see it by the way how him upload him things them. Once in a while I see him upload something and him can't talk about Vybz Kartel again. On my main channel, me call him out and say him afraid for call Vybz Kartel name again. Him have to be careful what him do now because he will lose subscribers because Vybz Kartel have the hearts of the people right now. So me did say that on my main channel, say him afraid. And if him a go run out in a Vybz Kartel topic, him have to make sure say majority of people would not beat Vybz Kartel and then they would agree with him. But if him come out and not change the narrative, him not do that like one time. So the signs were there. If it's true, or him probably take a little break and then him have forward back and say, "Oh, no things somebody gone, me just a come," or "Oh, no things somebody done, me just a come," or something like that. But it's either here nor there. Me gonna talk about it a little bit more upon my main channel. But as I say, I build up the content as real talk series over here, so we're not playing a whole heap of videos and them something and I react to no video over here, so I can't have two channels and I do the same thing. So over here, so I just one little 8 minutes to 10 minutes reasoning about one topic. And as I say, if you like these kind of content where the voice are reasoning and you see me, yeah, then you can subscribe and set the notification bell to all. So if me have a reason about the next topic, you will be notified. Yeah man, but give thanks everybody. I'm out.
This is real talk.
DJ Dreadbeard, subscribe now.